Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this meeting, before starting the class, I will introduce myself. My name is Tuan. I work at the State Educational High 20 in Samarinda, teaching chemistry subject. Today I will explain the matter about elements and atoms. An atom reservoir matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. All matter is made of atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of matter, sort of how brick the building blocks of house. An atom reservoir. An atom has three parts: proton, positive, neutron, no charge, electron, negative. The proton and neutron are found in the center of the atom, a place called the nucleus. In this presentation, you can see this nucleus. The electron orbits the nucleus. An electron orbits the nucleus. What are elements? Elements are the alphabet to the language of molecule. To make molecule, you must have elements. Elements are made of atoms. While the atoms might have different weight and organization, they are all built in the same way. It's like this. Atoms always have as many electrons or protons. Atoms usually have about as many neutrons as protons. In this presentation, we have three examples: 1 hydrogen, 1 proton, and 1 electron, 0 neutrons. Helium, 2 proton, 2 electron, and 2 neutron. Carbon, 6 proton, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 neutron. More about elements. Elements are building blocks of a matter. The periodic table is a list of all the elements that can build matter. It's a little like the alphabet of chemistry. The periodic table tell us several things. Periodic table. In this presentation, we have example oxygen. Oxygen. 8. Its atomic number of protons, and it is also the number of electrons in an atom of an element. O, element symbol, an abbreviation for the element. Oxygen, element's name. 16, atomic mass or weight, number of protons plus neutron. Atom models. There are two models of the atom we will be using in this class. First model, Bohr model. Two models is Lewis. Bohr model. The Bohr model shows all of the particles in the atom. In the center is circle. Each circle represents a single neutron or proton. Protons should have a push or P written on them. Neutrons should be blank or have an N. In a circle around the nucleus are the electrons. Electrons will have a minus sign or an E. So, in this Bohr medal, we have electron, and in the nucleus, we have neutron and proton. Electrons have special rules. You can just shove all of the electrons into the first orbit of an electron. Electrons live in something called shells or energy levels. Only so many can be in any certain shell. In this presentation, we have example. Nucleus in the middle contains protons and neutrons. First shell can hold up 2 electrons. Two shell can hold up to 8 electrons. Third shell can hold up to 18 electrons. Electrons have special rules too. You can just shove all of electrons into the first orbit of an electron. Electrons live in something called shells or energy levels. Only so many can be in any certain shells. The electron in the outermost shell of any elements are called valence electrons. So let's try it. How to draw a lithium atom. First, look at the periodic table. Second, determine the number of protons. Look at the atomic number. This is atomic number. Then determine the number of neutrons. Atomic mass minus atomic number. Then determine the number of electrons. Look at the atomic number. So let's try it. Protons 3. Proton 3. Neutrons 4. Because 7 minus 3 equal 4. Electron 3 because 2 in first shell, 2 in first shell, 1 in the 2 shell. Lewis dot structure. The Lewis dot structure is a bit different from the Bohr model. It only shows the element symbol and its outermost electron shell. In this presentation, we have example O, oxygen. Outermost electron shell, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons. So in the Lewis structure, we can write O and electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 electrons.